There's my new Black & Decker toaster oven. This thing is pretty sharp looking. I got it sitting on the end of my counter. I'm cooking a pizza in it right now. It's the first time I've cooked in it. It's not a big pizza. And I had a silicone pad, like you put on your cookie sheets and put your cookies on so they don't burn and they slide off easily. I put one in the bottom. I cut it to fit because I didn't want the bottom to get messed up. So I'm checking that out also, making sure nothing happens. There's the tray, it came with it. I just leave it on top because you don't want to put anything up there because that thing, it gets hot on top. So I put that up there just because if I need it. And yesterday I put in here, just to test it, the 9x13 baking dish Pyrex with handles. Fits perfectly. Then I tried the Pyrex glass baking dish in a 11x15, and it would have fit in there if it didn't have those handles. It was probably a ½ inch too wide, but if it didn't have handles, that thing would have fit in there. This will hold a huge casserole. This thing is good. And I don't know why people were complaining and saying it was loud. This thing is not loud at all. It's barely making any noise. I am way louder than this thing. I love it. It's beautiful too. It's big. I tell you what, it's going to come in handy at Thanksgiving when you need to put your green bean casserole in the oven and you only got one oven. So this is going to be good for, like, if somebody wants to make their macaroni and cheese. Oh yeah, this baby will cook it. I'm hoping I'm going to love it, but I know I will because it's beautiful. Hope you enjoy.
Hello, this is the Black & Decker TO3250XSB extra wide oven. Yeah, you can probably hear it. How loud it is. Listen. That is not cool. I got mine used. See, bashed in the back. So that more than likely has something to do with why it's so loud. If you're getting a brand new one, it's probably not going to sound this bad. Here in the crevice, it like catches crumbs. Maybe that's with a lot of toaster ovens, but yeah, you have to get something and like dig that out of there. The handle doesn't catch midway. It's either shut or open. My old one, it would shut here when I wanted to cool something, which was awesome. So I'm actually surprised that is not a feature with this one. If you have any problems with your eyesight, or even if you don't, like I don't have problems with my eyesight, and I have a hard time reading these little teeny tiny things. I don't know if it's focusing. There you go. Like, how are you supposed to read that stuff? Seriously. Here on top, the top is really like flimsy, see? And it scratches easy. Can you see the scratches on it? Like just anything, any little thing, and you've got a scratch in it. That should be stainless steel, but I don't know. It does fit a huge 9x13. With the handles, it's 9x15, and there's still wiggle room, so that's awesome. That's definitely my favorite part, is how big it is. This is a nice sturdy rack they give you. I don't know. I'm definitely gonna trade it in for something else because it's just not. I can't handle the noise. But all in all, it's not too shabby, you know, for the price point. But I don't know. Up to you. Take care. Bye.
Hey there, fellow Amazons. I wanted to give a review for the Black & Decker TO3250XSB 8-slice convection toaster oven. A lot of reviews online said this thing was pretty loud, but got pretty good positive reviews. I went ahead and ordered it anyway. And when we got here, set everything up, it is extremely loud and way too loud to even use. Let me give an example here. I'm going to go ahead and turn this to 450 here. Now, I don't know if y'all can hear that. Hopefully you can. It's extremely loud, buzzes and shakes as you turn the oven on. I thought this noise would go away when it reaches optimal temperature, but as you can hear, for most homes, it's probably too loud to operate. So I would advise strongly against purchasing this oven.